Hello everybody, welcome to top best Fiverr gig and job ideas for Fiverr seller. So let's begin. Some of them are very wonderful, like this one. If you take this one, so this one is amazing. I will write a killer SEO. This one is amazing. So let's move forward. Another one is original impressive SEO, and this other one again. There is another one and text logo design. So you can, those are very good ideas. Brilliant logo design. So you can see this one, audio visual transcription, improve your website. I'm gonna post the link down below. Facebook cover photo banner. Wow, this is another one you can also use to get money. Facebook cover. So at least you can also design these things. You will make a lot of money. Design powerful point presentation. And some design and WordPress. So these are very good ideas. There's one here which just shocked me. SEO and YouTube video is another also good one. There's one here which just shocked me. I was so shocked. So this one, video transcription, spokesperson, you can also do that one. You're a tour guy, you can also do that one. Video, birthday video from Trump. Wow, that's amazing. Oh my God. Nice, from being there, not Trump again. But anyhow, man, that's creativity, And there's another one, black, remove black magic. So let's see. Wow, it's cool, man. It's nice. And thank you video. These are amazing ideas that you can actually, decorating logo. These are good idea. Amazing. At least you can do the one just by spending some time. You can diet and workout plan, illustration, drawing. This one, video from heaven. Wow. The seller would have Jesus send you a custom video from heaven. Damn it. Wow, man, this is awesome. I'm telling you, you have 5-star, over 1,660 reviews. My goodness, this is mind blowing, and it is been a good sum of money, man. Damn it! Wow, it's only our imagination that makes us different. This is really cool imagination. Honestly, you rock. So guys, let's move forward. There are a lot of them. I'll post this link below. Family tree, and another one again here. 7 cool 7 out of the box Fiverr gig idea. So you may check them here. Very cool. That's nice, man. Cool idea. So guys, do not forget to check it out. Out of this, let me just say 50 plus 7 ideas, 57 at least. No matter who you are, no matter how slow or how lazy you are. Of course, you are not lazy, but no matter who you are, you must actually get or pick one of some of these ideas. And study it even for an hour, or maybe like you just spend your whole day and study it, and then you try to come out with some brainstorm. You create something that can that will look eye-catching, that will actually stand out, and you hire yourself, you make money, because the world for today is unlimited. We have unlimited opportunities. So you just go there, grab 1 or 2 ideas, you give it a try. Who knows? Not everyone succeeds as a freelancer, but not you, understand? So give it a try. Love and share this video, man. I'm gonna see you next time. Ciao.